Hello, everybody. How are you today? I'm happy, but Gerald is sad. Let's find out why. My friend is sad. My friend is sad. Oh. ... Gerald's sitting all alone by himself.
My friend is sad. I will make him happy.
What a nice friend. Wow! Cowboy, look at the tall hat, mustache, and a horse. Wow, brum. Yeehaw! Wow, a cowboy. Bum 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 bum.
Gerald loves cowboys, but he is still sad.
Does he know it's you, Piggie? Wow! Piggie's a fancy juggling clown. Amazing. Wow! A clown! Whoa! Standing on a finger, juggling with the feet. That's amazing. Oh. Huh?
Clowns are funny, but he is still sad.
Oh. Whoa! Piggie made an awesome robot costume with boxes. A robot!
Beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, beep, boop, boop.
Wow, working hard, Piggie. Oh. Huh?
How can anyone be sad around a robot?
Piggie! Gerald. Look at that big smile on Gerald.
I am sorry. I wanted to make you happy, but you are still sad.
Ah, I am not sad now. I am happy.
You are happy?
Ooh, big hug. I am happy because you are here. Aww. Happy with friends. But I was so sad, Piggie. So very sad. Oh, I saw a cowboy.
But you love cowboys.
Yeah, I do. I love cowboys. But you were not there to see him. Huh? Gerald, it was me.
Well, in fact,
There was more. Then I saw a clown. A funny, funny clown. Funny, funny, ha. But you were not there to see him.
But, it was me, Gerald.
There was more. I saw a robot. A cool robot. Cool, like this 멋있어요. 멋있는 robot.
Beep, beep.
And my best friend was not there to see it with me. Gerald.
But, you see, I am here now.
Ah, you are here now.
Ooh, big hug.
My friend is here now. I need my friends.
You need new glasses.
새로운 안경. New glasses. Right. You couldn't see it was Piggie? Gerald?
Friends are great.